This is the DYU T1 electrical bike. Let's talk about it. The DYU T1 is a well-designed compact foldable e-bike, perfect for city commuting with its efficient performance, sturdy build and practical features. It meets the needs of urban drivers. So let me tell you more about this e-bike. The DYU T1 features a frame made from one-piece magnesium alloy. This seamless, welt-free design is finished with a slick matte paint, giving the bike a stylish and modern look. Equipped with unique cross-country style thread tires and tri-spoke rims, the DYU T1 ensures a smooth and stable ride. This bike is powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor, allowing it to reach speeds up to 25 km per hour. It comes with a 10 amp hour battery that can be fully charged in about 6 hours. The key lock mechanism makes the battery removal and charging a breeze. The DYU T1 is designed for portability. Its handlebars, frames and pedals are all foldable, making it easy to store and transport. The pedals are made from a combination of alloy and ABC plastic, ensuring durability. Let's talk about the brake system. It features a 160mm mechanical disc brakes for reliable stopping power. This includes for the front and the rear braking system. It also comes with a bright front headlight with a reflector on it, and the battery-operated LED taillight ensures visibility during night rides. Of course, comfort is key. This seat is well padded and adjustable for riders between 155 and 200 centimeters in height. The lock-on handlebar grips provide a secure and comfortable hold. Now here's where it gets interesting. This e-bike comes with 7-speed gear system. The Shimano Tournoi 7-speed gear system combined with the KMC chain and chain protector ensures a smooth and efficient shifting during the rides. The derailleur is well protected and prevents any misalignment. The DYU T1 features a torque sensor in the front crank for pedal assist, a push throttle for mop-like mode, and a power button that also controls the headlight. The LED battery clock indicates the battery level. This e-bike can handle climbs up to 15 degrees and offers an estimated range up to 55 kilometers, depending on the conditions and the rider's weight. With limited suspension, it's best suited for city commutes. The T1 weighs about 22.5 kilos. And it's easy to carry and fits in car trunks and small storage spaces, and it can support a maximum load of 120 kilos. Me, myself and I unfortunately weighed about 110 kilos, so that's pretty close to the limit. But during my tests, I did reach the 25 km per hour speed, so that's a good sign to me. Folding the DYU T1 e-bike is quick and easy. Let me show you how. First, lower your seat, release the seat post clamps and gently slide the seat down to its lowest position and secure the clamp tightly. Next, fold the pedals, push the pedals inwards and upwards until they lock into the folded position. Then, we'll locate the frame in the middle of the bike and release the safety latch and pull the lever to unlock the hinge. Now fold the frame in half by gently bringing the front wheel towards the back wheel. Make sure the frame is securely folded and the hinge is locked in its place. Finally, fold the handlebars. Release the handlebar clamp and lower the handlebars until they are parallel with the frame. Secure the clamp. And that's it. Your DYU T1 e-bike is now folded and ready for an easy storage or transport. If you want to unfold it, just follow the same steps. First, unfold the handlebars, release the handlebar clamp and raise the handlebars to their upright position and secure the clamp tightly. Next, we're going to unfold the frame, release the frame hinge lock and carefully unfold the bike until it clicks into place. Ensure the hinge is securely locked. Now we're going to unfold the pedals by pushing them downwards until they snap into their extended position. Now raise the seat to your desired height, release the seat post clamp, adjust the seat and secure the clamp tightly. And there you have it. Your DYU T1 e-bike is now ready to hit the road. So what I love the most about the DYU T1 e-bike is that it stands out with its slick and modern design. It blends perfectly with its style and functionality. Its minimalist frame, crafted from high-quality materials, not only ensures durability, but also gives it a sophisticated look. The smooth lines and compact build makes the DYU T1 an eye-catching ride that turns heads wherever you go. Its foldable design adds a layer of benefits, allowing you to easily store and transport the e-bike without compromising on style. With its matte finish paint, the T1 is designed to complement my personal style. Whether I'm commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride, it's not just an e-bike, it's a statement of elegance and innovation on two wheels. So I'm choosing the DYU T1 for a ride that combines technology with style. And if you think that the DYU T1 is a good fit for you, then you're in luck, because I'll have a special code in the description that will give you a €100 discount on their website. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. So for the last part of this video, I want to demonstrate on how you can unbox your DYU T1. So before we show you that, I want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget, leave me some feedback in the comment section.